Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and after that I decide what I work on today. So I think it's playtesting today. Just wait for the terminal to be usable. On command to start stuff. Wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. In the time I can read what I was working, more info missing, spell, tool, move info. Remember something, but not yet. I will remember, but okay, it started at once in the browser. So something was missing with the move tools. I think I remember. Wait. Didn't they get levels? Oh, it's okay, I remember. I reset, start fresh, although I will need to... I will probably cheat to check the DPS later. Let's this time try against mid-sized enemies. I think I played Fire Circle last time. Let's do explosion, I guess. So one big low damage explosion with a high center one. And I go. So I'm the guy in the middle. Besides the enemies, if I come closer to them, they attack me. The further away I am from the middle, the stronger they are. And I get stronger the more enemies I kill. Now the goal is to get away as far as possible. Okay, a new skill point, lightning, no, fire circle is the next one. I will switch later. Okay. Let's try. I go to Spellmaker mode, I get a new spell, I switch over, and here I do fire circle. This is 6 mana, and this is 4. The 4 one is bigger. Okay, let's try. This does... Okay, it does definitely more over time. Orbit. I can do orbit. If I orbit this one, it will follow me. Perfect. Oh. Okay. Now I can stack them. That's probably the strongest. So it's not enough. I died. Okay, it's hard to balance, I guess. Well, mid enemies are probably the strongest. Do I try one more or do I... No, let's... Playtest is next, so let's try to figure out this problem I had. I think it had something to do with... Let's cheat, get me the stuff. Okay, I have everything I want. Anything which orbits, so I do this one. Make it this way. They should... So they are move tool and they are orbiting. In the combat log, no, in the damage, is combat log doing anything? Here the orbiter is part of it. But I think if I now die, did I explain? More info missing, spell to remove info. Wait, in the character it's missing. Yes, here it's missing. Here's the orator missing. Okay, it's only... The damage meter is correct, but here it's not. Okay, I think I will find it now. Or can find it now. Spellmaker. Create ability more info. Somewhere I have to generate... Don't have hover lines. It's also... I forgot. No, let's... So upgrade... Spell type, ability spell, available spell types. Tool level gains. No. I have spell slots. Spell slots. Where's spell slots? Spell slots. Here's spell slots. Get spell tool chain. This is not working. Do it recursive. Does the spell here have already... No, it has its base type at the start. This is my starting tool chain. Now if tool chain includes, I push, but created object. So the debuff is also not part of it. Wait. It's created object, not plural. No. Create object. Okay. Maybe I should fix the naming. I have to check for debuff and move attachment. Move attachment. No, if I have a move attachment and it's not included, then I will need to push it essentially. And the same for the debuff attachment. Okay, this should be it. Next try. One more thing. Main. Version 4.4.2 today. And reload and see. Maybe the order is now different. Can also see. So I want slow plus any move. I think I have everything. Yes. So let's make fire circle, seek, and slow. And this is it already, I believe. In the damage meter, it's instant fire circle, seeker, slow, and in the character, it's instant seeker, slow, fire circle. So to keep it the same, I should change the order, I guess. The other one is created while doing damage because it's important. Okay. And it can be split. Let's see this order. Okay, I can go again, fire circle, seek and slow. Instant fire circle seeker slow and fire circle seeker slow is the same. Perfect. Which means I fixed this. Fix Spellmaker. Tool move debuff info. Spellmaker tool move more info character. This is all the. So now I want DPS value. I never wrote down what I had for the others, I believe. Okay, but I want to see. I want now to create high Spellmaker has DPS. I should create a legendary, I believe. It makes it simpler. I can retest it, which means reduced and close king. I go Spellmaker. Explosion is the easiest. Oops. Okay. Now I have a Spellmaker now. I level it. I should have made it bigger, doesn't matter. Hit. Okay. This means should have 10. Yes, seems fine. It's fine. Want clean up a bit. What do I have? Okay, should be enough. Sauce is missing. Okay. Okay, so this should now be 500 max level, 25 skill points I can get. Okay, I can disable these cheats. I don't even know if I never tried. If I do this, okay, it's a bit buggy. Doesn't matter. Cheats. I am interested in taking the head and now leveling it up. Probably big enemies is easiest. What is my enemy type? Ball. This should be fine, I believe. I have explosion. Should I cheat? It makes it easier. Next boss spawns. I just do all basketball. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. I just spent equally. 6 more. Maybe. Okay, I'm maxed. On the skill points, I need level cap. I can give experience, but I still need the levels up. So in the end, I need to play regardless. I think I can restart. Take it and it will be remembered. Yep. Okay, now I need to create my spell setup. Let's reset everything. I want my default, I guess. Default is... Maybe it is far away. Another try bit closer. Put here, I guess. Orbit. And give it lightning. Okay, next spell. Switch over. It's proximity. Proximity here. With Seeker. And I want to explode. Okay, and I could... but if the low damage one has the slow, it's also not helpful. I just put minimal slow here. This means I'm missing move. Let's add as another spell. Again, make the turret move tool. And you shoot lightning. Doesn't need to be lightning. I make a fire line, I guess. The fire line seeks. This can work. I think I will delete it. I think the fire circle will be what, 6? Now I have explode, proximity, fire circle, move, orbit, fire line is missing, attach is missing. Attach is missing. Let's make a no, I cannot do this. Can I? I can delete it, yes, perfect. This might be good enough. Now I can attach it. No, this one 6 and this is attached, then I have attach. The last thing I need is fire line. New spell, switch over, I will do a turret. Will be on the charging end. It stays still and I will shoot short fire line. The fire line has to seek. Okay, and now I can start. Autocast for this one, autocast for this one, autocast for this one, and this one is what I manually What direction did I want to go? This is sniper. Oh, why not? Das did not hit. Interesting. Why not? I should have cheated one more thing. I go back. Money. I'm still in time. I believe I'm still in time. It's money, especially speed. Okay, speed. Okay, perfect. I can close this, I believe. Oh, it's wizard and sniper. I think sniper is the dangerous one. So Spellmaker level needs to be 500. This is essentially the goal. Anything else? I think I could check one time. Everything gets levels. The only downside is level might not go too high. It's interesting that the Seeker are too slow. But no, no, this was enemy shoots. I don't know if I will reach. Ouch. This will be hard to survive. Check, I reached 6. Some are still the charging one I didn't use a lot. Okay. Oh, my defense is shrinking. I couldn't keep up. Okay, but it's so I didn't reach it anything. I guess next thing is again cheat, load cheats, close king area, and reduce HP. I want one king. Let's take sniper. 100 HP. I want more. Let's go. Okay, let's take this for now. Okay, I reduce the low king HP. I want this one, and I want now. I could check what the DPS value for this setup is. Probably not too high. It's no, I wanted to see the HP is 300, so it's times 8. It feels too low, at least. Let's make this one. I think all the... Are they rising character? 6, 7, 8, I'm 20. We can die. No, I want to see the damage per second value, I guess. 7. But I am on 300, level 300, so I did not reach full level. I think I have to run one more time to the... So it has no... This one, I think ball is the easiest to run against still. Okay, move it. Take this. And I guess get a bit more one speed. Okay, and cheat again. Where's very tanky? Very tanky. Okay. But a high king was probably the best way to level, isn't it? Isn't even running here. Reached 7s. I think a bit. So the log 10 is probably too heavy now. I wanted experience, this was why I won here. There. But now I'm not keeping up, I guess. But I level everything. Yes. Hmm. Although I didn't try the highest damage value. Did I make myself very tanky? Yes. Maybe I should pull them all onto one place and it gets easier. Ah, they will not gather in a ordered way. What can I do? If I only want experience, I press this button, this is faster. So kept. Now it's about doing damage. Can go here again. I can do close king area again. I think my HP value was fine, but I can try to 21,000. 26,000. 2,000. Okay. Choose king HP. This is gone, and I want now. Oh yes, he is activated. In charge. So let's restart, take again. I want just my charge turret and I will charge it for a while. I guess. Although this is a bit of cheating. I don't think this will be enough. But let's see. If I go in now, put this down. Will this be enough? The turret is still shooting, wow. Okay, unexpected. $40 million damage per second. I think this is still weak. Probably should try against... Should try against the god. Okay. I do not close, not this. Close spawn areas. And immune it. I need to kill him. This is number one. This is the one I want to check. Oh, I can. Oh, I think he counts. Does he count from fight start or from damage start? I think he already counts. When I pull down, I should do it this way, I guess. Enough. I have to charge the next one. Was too far away. So I would say he is beatable. Oh no. Should go down to me. Okay, 70 million damage per second. So I can kill the god, but not the hard mode one, I guess. I think a bit. I still believe the short fire line is the strongest single target with Seek. But I feel like I should make it a bit stronger. Let's try a multiplier, I guess. It would be Spellmaker. Can I do somewhere I have log 10? Okay, this was I searching? And how do I do log 8? I currently don't know. Because log 8 does not exist. I think this is a long time since I used ChatGPT. I write code in Java or TypeScript is also fine. How can I do log 8 mass dot log only has 2 and 10? Log base 8. I'm confused. Natural log base E, yes. Log base 10, log 10. You can compute it easily with the formula above. I have log base, number base. Okay, number base. This is a number that is my base. And I use the same log. Okay, understood. I think for a moment. Which means I do this log and divides the result by mass log which I want as base, and this is now 8. How much difference should I expect? Can he tell me? How different is the scaling if I from log 10 to log 8? I'm interested what he tells me. log 8 goes 10% faster than log 10 goes. Yes, okay. 10%, can I say percent is not... So this is 3 point... Is it really 10%? I'm not sure if this is strong enough. It doesn't make sense at 8% to make unity. Something is off. Linear rescaling? Is it? Then I could just multiply by 10. I'm confused. By 10%. Is this not a Wolfram alpha? Not log 8 versus log 10. What is this? MATLAB. Not MATLAB, but shouldn't this be... Isn't this Wolf? Wolfram alpha, doesn't this still exist? Graph of log 10 and log 8. Can he do this? I'm so confused. Log 10x. This is what I want, I guess. Now I see something. And log 2, no, log 8x. I need until x equals 1 million. Something like this, I guess. Good. How do I do it myself? Enlarge data? No. Customize. Enlarge. I think I need to... Okay, this takes too long. I am just interested in log 10 divided by log. So I have the number 10 and I have log. I want to construct two things. Can I do this? When I do this, I get a number. No, I don't get anything because it's not mass. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is easy to know. Interesting. It's not perfect. 4. And now I go to 8. It's indeed just times 10. Seven, 6, 5, 4. Two. This is 29. So this is factor of 3. So 10 would be 1. And 2 is 3. 6, 6, 9, 13. It's actually a multiplier, interesting. Then why do I have the complicated formula? I think long is the wrong thing to do here. If I have log 2, I go log 10, maybe it's easier. I multiply it with 2. Or 1 point, let's do 1.8. That's a try, I guess. %, stronger. Okay, there's some exponential scaling because doing more damage means I again scale faster. So it's still halved to log 2. I can try this one. Means if I reload now, new values should be in. Is this a high HP? Yes, 500 SAR. Let's do... What are my spells? Slot 1 is... One I set on autocast, I guess. And probably now see... Yes, it doubled my level instantly. And because it's cheaper in mana, the charge will be far stronger. Let's activate all, I guess. Autocast. This is still the one I need to cast myself. Let's see. Maybe this one is attach. The circle to it is not getting anything yet. Because I went too fast, probably. Here it now got something. 80%. Maybe this is too strong now. Who knows? Okay, here I am. Nearly double stuff. Because I'm cheaper on mana, I have no more. Let's deactivate stuff. Protect me still. No, you will keep charge. Okay. Not the one I want. Here's this one I want. Okay. Wait until stuff disappears and I will see what the new damage value is. This will be strong. Okay, let's start. No, he goes wrong direction. I was stupid. Let's charge the next one. This should be enough. Okay. Doubled. But I didn't pull the king to the correct direction, so I think it would have been double again. Does it? Yes, it has 5 new points and 110 levels it can have. But this might be more accurate. Still can try this one for maybe more accurate. See, close king. I take my Spellmaker. I have a spell. I charge for a few seconds. The longer I charge, the higher it will be. Let's do this. Let's see. $50 million. Number 80% reduction. Maybe this is fine. I guess this is one thing I can do. No, I don't want this one again, just sniper. I have the high. One thing I can do as Spellmaker is just charge forever. Maybe this should have a cap, like 60 seconds. Oh, I don't think it needs one. And it takes time to shoot all fire lines. And I think after a time, I made it that the line just lasts longer? I don't remember correctly. Okay, this is a lot more doubled. Not quite doubled, but it would be, if this would be HP, I think a bit. I think the other were in the billion range. But if this is easier at the start, maybe it's fine. I think I want to reset and try one time. A fresh start. Do the lightning one. This should be a lot easier again. Before I had to wait. Or beta is with turrets the best. Autocast is next probably. Now turret and I'm happy. Let's do 2. And turret perfection. I reset. I take a turret of mana, orbit me, it shoots lightning. And I can put it on autocast. And I have to wait until the wing is complete. Now all should level, yes. What do I take? Take explosion. This is again, I'm back to back to I don't need to stop and don't need to care for all upgrades, I guess. I need to stop a bit. Okay, as this seems fair, I guess. I only have 4 upgrades. Let's go. And new spell switch over. Turret with a bit of mana. Not this one. Charge. And you fire lightning. Let's do just this, I guess. don't spawn new ones. They will disappear. Let's check it out. Oh, I failed. I'm dead. Charges was... Okay, I now I have to charge one valid amount. I'm sure he will die, I guess. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, this is not free. I think this is fine, this buff. Also, I think he still does not scale as fast as others. Okay, Spellmaker scaling. This only thing? Increased. So, playtest. I have a max DPS value. I should try to achieve it without cheats, I guess. I have these. Kill God as fast as possible. Maybe this should be Builder Ball and Builder Tamer made it. So it's probably, I don't remember the strategy. Kill mode ball to earn money from market buildings, play sniper and become king, defeat king for legendary use bear. Get all kings to level up. Level up max women. Still too weak and this was my... I think these are just ball for money and upgrade buildings. Then I probably skilled a builder. HP and innovation, and then I need two ones with Spellmaker as my damage dealer. And Tamer and Ball both had the DPS to make it. I can try. So, start fresh. I do the ball strat. I will bounce shield, bounce bonus damage, bounce bonus damage. Committed. Stop. Should be bounce. Okay, I think I have everything. Oh god. This is... Okay, I made it. Shortly. Okay, this is what I want. Now charge up. 50. I thought this would be stronger, but probably because I don't have level 40, 70, yes. Okay. 2. I should wait. I probably need 2 more. And perfect. This was one ball. I just wanted, I guess, to die instantly, so I get the buildings. This is far enough. One more. It doesn't matter. Still not all buildings. This is far enough. Still not all buildings. But I can increase the money I get. Sweet. Damage. I think I have all important buildings, but let's clean up a bit. Okay. It's fine. I have all buildings. I want 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. Oh no, it's not 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. I probably speed. I cannot afford. This I can afford. Okay. Now I want a tower builder, I guess. Attached towers was, I think, easier. Und Eis auch hier. Don't remember the exact strategy, but I want bonus HP and HP Recken, if I remember correctly. Online damage, I guess. And movement speed is also helpful. And now I just play until I can no longer survive. Let's go to max towers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will. No, not too much move speed. HP, perfect. P barely survives still. Can one reroll. Okay, this could be my death. Somehow I still survived. And I died, okay. Now I have my setup, I believe. I have to the left the bounce. Spellmaker, this one. Okay, I can put it all here for now. Now I want to start with lightning. And I will just do this one. Okay. This will be confusing for a while. What is E? Okay. I'm just interested in was Q. I don't have another spell. Orbiter, turret. Try to. So I reset with mana, orbit, and do lightning. Okay. 6 proximity. Interesting. I'm so fast that attach fireline, fire circle. Oh, I actually took damage. Something is off. To cast is helping. Now, fireline and proximity. Would make a second spell for it. Proximity and on stage I do fireline. Can make a bit. Okay, this should give one little bit more. And now I'm on 5, okay. Hopefully this helped. I have charge. Charge is something I will need for the god fight. There's my skill point. Slow. Slow is not so important. Moves, fire circle. Fire circle is. Seek will be important. Slow, fire line, explosion slow. Nah, I do reroll. Seeker, okay. Now I am on spell slot 2. I reset this one. I want turret, a little bit of mana, which shoots shortest fire line. And this fire line does seek. And it's a charging turret. Okay, this is. Now fire circle is missing. Okay. Okay, explosion, attach, move. I think the advantage of can just put move on it. I'm stage 0 and you can just move tiny bit. And then I also level move with it. No, it's fire circle missing. Okay, so Okay, here. Don't roll away. Got you. Attach. Slow. Do I skill both? I should make a spell. Attach fire circle. Do I survive here? I hope. I do a new spell slot 3. I need fire circle, which 6, which with a second fire circle. Don't even know. Let's try what happens. Can I attach it? No, he attached the incorrect one. Can I? Don't think I can do this correctly. Again, fire circle 1, fire circle 2, 1, 6, and 1 is attached. I can also charge them. So, yeah. 5 proximity is now lowest, but I think the skills is good enough. Explosion, slow. Let's take slow because I can just put slow on this one. Doesn't even need to be much. And now they... Where's slow? Yeah, 5. 6. 6, 4. Let's put it here. I should reach. Oh god, where's he? Killed him. Explosion, last one. I believe I need to go again in. Again, in your spell, switch over to the slot. I am interested in damage, so explosion is on 8 already. Proximity, I could have done it with proximity. I still can do it. Reset. Proximity. Stage, and I have explosions in here. Okay, let's try. Proximity 8.1. Okay. I should see. Yes, there it is. I am good on time. I should be able to do one more boss. And now light. No. Fireline is my strongest. I need to check. Charge, turret, move, fireline, seeker, mana cost. Okay. 2.5? Why? Because the turret has 2.5. I'm actually interested in changing it a bit. I switch to the 2. That's this one. I want 0.63. This is fine. I think move doesn't cost anything, so I can just move it a bit. I go here, and now I need the shortest fire line. I think I have one. And now I need a seek on it. Okay. Turret, move, fireline, seeker, charge still. Okay, now I charge it up. I have no idea what a fair amount of charging is. But I guess I Start and see. Seems to be decent. Let's charge the next one. Yes, it's okay. Sad. I will be some time until I can damage him again. Let's pull him here. Let's pull it here. Okay, and this should be more than enough damage per second. 100 million. And I did statistics 18 minutes. Okay, so I have. This might be fine. I was on 47 builder. Spellmaker. So this seems fair. The ball builder is still the fastest. Was my time 40 minutes left? I feel like this balancing is fair. Now, this is my last task. I guess. Why? I still have this one. Very first pet move on off. Okay, this was something I analyzed in the past and I couldn't explain it. Like some. But I guess I come to an end, so I wanted to always check. What was it? itch.io. Do I want my game on there? Something like this. Do I have? Wasn't I a special character? Or I make an icon. I want to draw an info icon in HTML canvas. What might be the easiest solution? Does a text character exists for it? Okay, can I copy this? I guess I take it for now. Let's think. I wanted this. So I see does have some. Let's check for a moment. And I don't remember if I even used real-time or game time played here. Also, I took a lot of time to create my spells, so I do not need to do, but okay, all fine. I want the info. Did I have info on here? What is the fastest info I have? I think it was on upgrades. Not past character, my character. Here I have, okay. A lot of the sniper ones have texts. Because this chain bonus is. Did I do achievement? I have achievements, I'm pretty sure. Yes, okay. So my sniper have the upgrade text. So for example, no Mistchain had a lot of text. Does it get explained text, this one? It should be, something is off. Oh, okay. This is find all references. Not go to references, find. Ability upgrade here. Push ability upgrade UI texts. If I have them and I have hover lines. This is also not, because now this is not where I display it. Something is not adding up. Is it here? Create more info part. Here I have probably go to definition. No, what did I do? What is the back? Wait. This is a function. What did I? Okay, now I'm here. But this is where I create the part, not where I paint it. But maybe I find it in here. Cover text. Paint ability upgrade more info if mouse hovered. Not quite correct, but maybe this one can help me. Paint more infos. I feel like I'm forgetting something. But this should be what I'm looking for. Is it? not. No, here I paint this text, but selected containers. Here I'm figuring out what I'm hovering. Okay, I'm incorrect. My more info part somewhere is painted. So I'm actually interested in this reference. I have to find where it's painted, and where it's painted I can then decide. Paint more info part. Here I do the text, I believe. And the check would be now. More info part can have hover text. And if I have hover text, I want to paint the eye. If I still have it, yes. If I have hover text, this is probably, is it an, what are you? More info hover texts. No, I'm confused. So correct location. What are you? Key number. It's an object. So do I need to count keys? Is a null check good enough? I will learn, I guess. If this is, then I will can have multiple lines. Probably at the last line. I have let postfix info postfix text. Can do it like this. And if I am at the last one and have hover text, then I can say postfix text is this one, probably something like this. This, wait. I will see if I'm with an eye or without. Let's try what happens. So sniper has a lot of, here's now an eye. Okay, it's probably displayed this way because to differentiate it, boss, no, chain is the long one. Here's an I now. Okay, this is not enough. This is stupid. Wait, eh? Ah, the position is slightly off. This was the problem. And I did it because else I... overlapping. This might be improvable. Did I move it? Move it? Don't know. This doesn't have... Okay. Really? Why is only backwards shot having an eye? No, I'm confused. Every one of these has. I check for the hover part here. Wait, it's different than I remember. I have multiple texts, so the... I'm confused. I guess I have all text lines in here. Let's look into the data, I guess. This is more info, paint more info part. Paint more info part. Where am I? We are probably more info part. Texts. Yes, and wow, how is the hover text? It's undefined. What? Okay, this part doesn't have. Next. Now I have hover texts. Okay, this is an index. 3, 6, 2, 4, 5. This one... No, 18, 19. Okay, this is an integer. But he... What is the... Ah, that's the size, okay. 18, 19, 20. Okay, so I need to compare to the index. First of all, this is not correct. I need to have something in here. And I need to have something in here, I guess. Next try. Sniper. Okay, now these all have infos, and here I can see an I. Get more information. Did anyone else have information? Character. I didn't put any anywhere. I feel like someone should have. Oh, I always look here, someone has. 3 unique nodes, correct. Okay, this is good enough, I guess. I was still questioning if that's a overlap. So as I move it up and the track if I'm overlapping down, essentially. It's okay. Does it get worse? It's middle. I think it gets worse. But I should move this information a bit up. Paint more info part. This is not now. I actually am interested in the other function I had somewhere. I find it. Is it an ability upgrade or something? No, it doesn't have anything to do. But the hover lines, I found it. Wait, it is an ability upgrade. Is it ability upgrade specific, or is it any text can have it? No. But okay, I have a canvas. I check. This check is interesting. I have the exact position of this container. But then I calculate a hover text and then bounding box, mouse position. Okay, this I want to change a bit. I can do mouse position, but I go 2 pixels up, or let's say 5. This should help. And I want the hit detection was off, but why? More info part, last painted position Y, mouse position Y. Divided by the font size, and this seems to not add up. Because I might have spacing between. This is an empty line, I believe. So let's try. Would already have something. This is, I'm not quite correct. It could be that I have some spacing at the top. This is the main culprit. Can I change the order of this? Also, I felt like I want to have more space. Okay, this might work. Now the hit detection. Check if I'm in this part. I should check how I paint a container. Should I? So can I zoom and this will still not be a thing? Okay. I want the order to be changed, which I will not find in here. I also will not, no, I find it here. Vertical spacing. I have a vertical spacing of 1 pixel. Okay, this explains it. But can I know about it? I could const spacing estimate would be we need to be in here. I need to be in here. No, I need to be in here. I'm confused. When I paint this box. No, when I check if I'm hovering. No, I know I'm in. Which index it is, this is the estimate. So here I need it. So I know I'm in the box now. I have the height divided by more info part texts length, I believe. This should be my spacing estimate. And with this, I might be more close to this one. Let's try. Character synergy. This is more fair. think this is closer. Okay, I guess this is a small UI improvement. And also, how's my time? 51. My test will break because I changed Spellmaker scaling. I will need a new one, which I can do. This is more info hover text. Position improved. Improved. Let's call it this way. Now I'm sure my Spellmaker will break. So I should do a new one. Spellmaker scaling changed. This could affect. No. I will see. Definitely a new Spellmaker. I want big enemies, Spellmaker. I want an attack explosion. Okay. Oops. I want lightning. My aim is not the best. Really, explosion 1. Let's go lightning. Let's switch new spell. Switch over lightning. And oops, doesn't matter. Autocast will help later. Move and fire circle, not I take autocast. Could put it on autocast. Okay. So it will. Oh God, no more autocast. Why? This should be a 1 in 100,000 that this happens, I believe. So on autocast, I could switch and put this on charge. Oh God, I'm dead. No. Switch over, charge, so I make some levels with others. Orbit, seek. I'm more interested in turrets. Explosion can both not seek and proximity. I can level. For win, none of these are important. Seek I could do if I get Fireline. Oops, okay, I have to be careful. I'm wasting my mana. How is my Seeker? I cannot. I have nothing for Seek. Okay, give me something useful. Turret. With that turret, a little bit of mana. 3, okay. And cast. Okay, this should be fine. He did take damage, interesting. Still have no seek. I could give the turret a seek. Oh, let's put some turrets down. Okay, it's not as easy as I thought, which is good. So I did not level in a fair way, I guess. Fire Circle Orbiter. Do I want orbit? Then let's you orbit not. You orbit. No, I cannot put them ahead. Okay, what is my best? Charge Explosion is probably the strongest. I didn't seek anything. I should. By the time I have more than enough time. Go to slot 3. Turret. A little bit of mana. You are now seeking. And you are shooting lightning. And I could give you charge. This way I can use it for the boss. Okay. I have leveled everything. I should run in and now charge, and I should see. Oh, more damage than I expected. I should charge, so I'm sure this one kills, but this will be dangerous. I wait a bit. No, 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 no. What? Swipe, no, go. Shoot. Okay, this was more than I needed. How much damage did it shoot? Damage? 7 million. Okay, but perfect. Test. Copy last replay. I reached close on my target time. Long Spellmaker. A lot shorter. Why? This is interesting. Reload. And one test. I expect everything to work, or did I miss anything? The short Spellmaker could have failed, but I guess I do not gain enough. Wait. Perfect. Now, oh no, musician and then Spellmaker. And worked perfect. Spellmaker new we play. And I can push, so it gets deployed. Close. I can close to the right, I guess. This is done. So I might never continue with. I think come to an end for my project, or at least a break for publishing it and seeing what I want to do. I guess reach my time target. I have nothing to do. Next time I can see if I want to publish this somewhere else and what options it is. I never checked HIO, so maybe it's a good place. And with this, I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. The end.